The year 2010 was declared the International Year of Biodiversity by the United Nations. Layunin nito na magparami ng kamalayan hinggil sa kahalagahan ng pagpapanatili ng iba't ibang uri ng buhay sa daigdig, na kilala rin bilang biodiversity. The biodiversity tumutukoy sa malawak na hanay ng plants, animals, and microorganisms that make up our planet ecosystem. Bagamat mayroon tayong natukoy na mga 1.7 milyong uri, scientists estimate that maybe many more, ranging from 3 to 100 million. The year 2010 was a time to focus on appreciating and protecting the microbial diversity of life.